Hi there, Alec O'Mara at Unitil here at our Emergency Operations Center in Hampton, New Hampshire, talking a little bit about what's going on in the field over the last 24 hours. As you know, we had a ton of wet, heavy snow yesterday, and we saw substantial outages in all service territories, but primarily in Massachusetts, where we saw more than 2 feet of wet, heavy snow. What's been going on is crews have been working to restore power on sub-transmission lines, which is sort of the main core of the system. And that's going to allow us to energize the main thoroughfares of each of the communities we've served. That's what happened overnight and into this morning. Now crews are going to start spreading out from there into the individual neighborhoods and go further and further out, almost like rebuilding a tree. At the same time, we have damage assessors that are canvassing the entire system and taking stock of every single type of damage in the field. We're going to get that information back and use it to calculate how long it will take to bring all of our customers back on, and that's how we get an estimated time of restoration. We'll be sharing that information as soon as we have it, which we expect to be later today. In the interim, you can get more information on all of our social channels, including Twitter and Facebook, as well as unitil.com. We'll have more information as we share it. Stay safe.